And I'm going to hold your hand when I say this. Come closer. Your falsy hair is not growing because you do not know how to detangle properly. In today's video, I'm going to be talking how to detangle falsy hair. Now, this is the most basic thing to know when dealing with natural hair. This is the most basic and also the one that is not taken as being important, but it's actually very, very, very important. Now you've done a protective style, you've kept it in for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, and it's time for you to take it down. And then you take it down, and then you realize, oh, my hair is still stuck at the same length. It's probably cause while taking in the course of taking down your protective hair, you were not careful enough and you broke off the length that you actually managed to retain, or while detangling, you detangled and then you uproot almost half of your growth on the floor. Anyway, that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you know how to properly detangle your hair. First things first, the tools. You need a white tooth comb, a spray bottle, and a slip or a detangling spray or leave-in conditioner. Now, always keep in mind that you should never ever detangle dry hair. Detangling dry hair is simply the same thing as you just literally ripping your hair off your scalp. It means you actually don't care if you lose that amount of hair. First things first, divide your hair into sections. I have really, really full hair. Okay, not that full, but yeah, I have full hair, and when doing anything concerning my hair, I work in sections. When detangling, when shampooing, when conditioning, when deep conditioning, I make sure I work in sections. This is so that no amount of my hair shall be left untaken care of. So divide your hair into sections as much as four, as little as two, as much as any amount of sections that you know you can work with. Now, for the first section, spray water. Yes, just water, just spray it into your hair. And if you have a detangling spray, you can just like instead of water, just put that detangling spray on your hair. Now, after putting that, next thing is to get your white tooth comb. How can you be doing natural and you don't want a white tooth comb? Like you are using an afro pick or you're using a tiny tooth comb. That's you're literally sabotaging your own hair growth journey. So yes, get yourself a wide tooth comb. Now, even before using your comb to detangle, make sure you finger detangle. Finger detangling is simply just running your hair through each section of your through each sections that you've divided your hair into, just running your hand through them to remove, to loosen those knots, to loosen them. That's just the simple definition. Now you want to take your comb and walk from end to root. I did not say from root to end, from end to root. So you want to take a section of your hair like this and then start combing from here. Start combing from here. Hold it like this with one of your hands and start combing from the tip. After you've detangled the tip, then before you now move to the roots and start detangling the roots, you'll see that it will be a lot easier for you to comb the hair. After walking through one section, try to braid it down so as not to confuse it with the other section. Braid it down and then move to the next section. Same thing, braid it down, the next, braid it down. And after you're done with everything, then you can now take out the done, and then you can now use your afro pick to pick the hair out. And that's it. As simple as that. That's just it. That's just it. That's just how to detangle. If you are following these steps, you are going to see that your hair is not breaking as much used to. And yes, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what length your hair is currently at, and if you would want to see a length check video from me 3 months into my ministry's journey, and I'm not a minutist. But yes, I will explain all of that in my next video. Thank you for being here, and